Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 62 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we're looking at exercises on 4 notes, exercise pairs 89 and 90. And these are so tricky, so just watch where you step, or rather watch where you sing.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Okay, so exercise 89, I have to take very slow because I need to make sure that I get all of these intervals right since I'm doing this kind of for the first time here. You can take it slow with me also, so you make sure you get these intervals right because we go up a major third, then we do the major second wobble, then again back up major third, major second wobble. So it's a little bit different of a pattern than my throat is used to singing, so I just need to kind of orient myself around this. You might find the same thing, so again, take it slow. Here is exercise 89. Tough. And here is exercise 90.